Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the shortcuts on this device. Basically how to customize widgets. First I'm gonna show you how to access the shortcuts on the smartband. So we need to wake up the screen on our smartband by pressing the touch sensitive button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to go through the list of shortcuts. Like this. And we have music control, Alipay, and the weather. And we can customize this list. To do it, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the Zap application. And once the devices are paired, open the application on your phone, tap on the profile icon, select your Amazfit Band 2 from the list of devices, wait until the devices are done syncing, and once it's done syncing, you can scroll down, find the option called Shortcut Settings, tap on it, and here we can customize the shortcut list. We can do a couple of things. We can hide the items. So if you want to, for example, Alipay to be gone from the shortcut list, you can press and hold on the sorting button next to it, this button right here, to grab it, and then you can drag it to the hidden items list, like this. And once you tap on the save, the Alipay will be gone. So we wake up the screen, swipe right, and as you can see, we have music and weather, and it's gone. The Alipay is gone. You can also add, or rather unhide the items, of course, so we can grab them and drag them to the list, like this, and we can change the order of the items on the list. So, for example, let's say I want the weather to be first, right after the watch face. So to do it, grab the item by with the sorting button, drag it to the place you wanted it to be, and release it, then tap save. And now when we wake up the screen, scroll right, we'll see the weather, then music, and then Alipay. And basically that's how you customize the shortcut menu or widgets on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.